Hello students, due to some health issues I was unable to make videos on YouTube and I'm very sorry for that. Your 4th semester syllabus is almost completed. In the last 2-3 months I have uploaded the videos of 4th semester and now I am sharing paper first of semester 5th. आई मीन टू से कि बीएससी फाइनल ईयर के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं यानी कि बीएससी फाइनल ईयर सेमेस्टर 5th, तो आपका जो इस बार का सिलेबस है उसमें आपको 2 पेपर पढ़ने हैं. द पेपर फर्स्ट इज प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी, मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड बायोकेमिस्ट्री एंड द सेकेंड पेपर इज मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी एंड बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स. So today we will start the paper first, which is plant physiology, metabolism and biochemistry. So the whole paper is divided into total 8 units. So there are 8 units and I will start the first unit, and the first unit is plant water relation, mineral nutrition, transpiration and translocation in fluid. So let's start the class. प्लांट वाटर रिलेशन में जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है वो आपको पढ़ना है अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर. Importance of water is the first topic. So as we all know, life is impossible without water. There is nothing without water on the whole earth. So point wise आप लोग लिखते भी चलेंगे. Life is impossible without water. Actually, water constitutes approximately 80 to 95% of the total weight of plant cells. 80 to 95% of the total weight of plant cells. As we all know, seeds are the most dry part of the plant. Still, it consists of 5 to 15% of water. Seeds are the most dry part of the plant, but it still contains 5 to 15% of water. After that, अगर हम सॉल्वेंट की बात करें तो वाटर इज कंसिडर्ड एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. So the next point is water is universal solvent and it provides the medium for the movement of molecules within the cell. सेल के इनसाइड जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स पाए जाते हैं उनका जो मूवमेंट होता है तो उसके लिए मीडियम प्रोवाइड करता है वाटर. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेवरल मैक्रोमोलेक्यूल्स For example, protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrate, all are influenced by water. उसके अलावा there are so many reactions, chemical reactions are operating, or you can say several biochemical reactions such as hydrolysis, hydration, dehydration. So water is the main factor in these types of biochemical reaction. If we talk about photosynthesis, so in case of photosynthesis, water is the raw material. Water acts as raw material during the process of photosynthesis. Transpiration, by means of the important process transpiration, water plays an important role in temperature regulation. So water also controls temperature. Water is the most important factor. It is the most important factor for agricultural productivity. So water is the most important factor for agricultural productivity. If we talk about lower plants, for example, algae, bryophytes, some pteridophytes, they complete their life cycle in the presence of water. It means water is the essential factor for fertilization, especially bryophytes, which are the amphibian plants. They live on land as well as in water. So to complete their life cycle, they have to go to inside the water. So in case of lower plants, water is the essential factor to complete their life cycle. So that's all for today. Thank you.